Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge Challenger. It will work on, should work on V6 and V8 engines. Most people guys will open, the hood, and under the hood, they will notice that you have a fuse box right there in the, you can see right there, but that's not the fuse box that we need, guys. We need a different fuse box. This is mostly for the engine management. The one that we need for the climate controls, and I'm talking about that climate control right here. The car was in a little bit of an accident, we'll be rebuilding it soon, but runs and drives like a champ, guys. That climate control here. So where is the fuse now? If we come, towards the back, open the trunk right here, check this thing out, trunk is open, and you lift that cover, you get to the spare tire, the car battery, and right here you have a fuse box. You're going to press that thing and open the cover. Now here guys, we'll need to check a couple fuses, 2 fuses. But one thing about those, right here guys, the fuses, you can see some of those, you cannot clearly tell if they're burned or not. Even if you think you can, sometimes you can easily make a mistake. Always test fuses, because if you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in the fuse box and you start spending time and money on parts you don't need, guys. It's just stupid. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays, and you can guys save a ton of money. The first fuse that we'll need is actually a 15 amp fuse, and if you look right here, that's the fuse for the power seats. That fuse right here, that blue 15 amp fuse, that's the one that we need. That's the first one for climate control, guys. Now if you need to buy replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can buy cheap fuses from. So as you can see, that's the first fuse that needs to be checked. Always test them. Now there is one more that you will need to check, and the other one is a little bit actually hidden. It's in a different row, let me put it that way. It's towards the back, and I'm going to remove that relay so you can see. And if you come in that block right here, it will be fuse number 53, so it will be that 10 amp fuse right there. That's the fuse that you will need to check, guys. That's for climate control as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find the fuse. Now if you replace the fuse and you still have problems, in some cases the body control module on your car may deactivate that function for safety, so the car doesn't catch on fire or something like that, if there was a short or something. So you will need a computer in some cases, not very often, but it could happen. This computer like that, this is our favorite scanner, guys. It works on any car you can think of. It can access every computer system, read codes, see codes. You can delete the codes and see live data, guys. So you will need to reset the systems, and often that will fix the problem if everything else is fine. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get that computer for a really good price and quick shipping. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.